office. Hello, Snehal. Welcome.
Hi Vijaya, કેમ છો?
હું સારું છું. તમે કેમ છો?
મજામાં, thank you.
Excellent. So I believe NPC Law Group is also heading to India this end of the year. So tell us more about that.
Yes, that we have exciting news. We will be traveling to India. We haven't been since November of 2019 due to COVID, but we are ready to travel. We will be there in early November. Dates are being finalized now, so please stay tuned for further details about that. But we will be in Mumbai, in Gujarat, and New Delhi, and we are happy to meet with clients for appointments. So stay tuned for future information.
Happy to know that. And now to a serious topic, which is Domestic Violence Awareness Month is October. And I thought this question was appropriate would be, how can abused spouses in H-4 get work authorization?
Yeah, that's a great topic. First of all, I do want to take a moment to recognize that domestic violence is a national public health issue. So I'm really glad that we're able to shed light on that and also talk about how it relates to immigration. And also for victims of domestic violence, help is available. So please seek help. There are protections for domestic violence victims in immigration law. I mean, we've talked in the past about U visas, WAWA cases. Those are types of reliefs that lead to a green card. There is, however, a special law that allows H-4 spouses who don't have already work authorization the ability to apply for an EAD if they are victims of domestic violence, if they've been battered, subject to extreme cruelty, by their H-1B spouses. It's important to know that this area of the law, it does not grant them legal status or a green card. Okay, that's very different. It allows them to apply for an EAD to earn an income that's separate from their H-1B spouse, which provides an opportunity for the H-4 victim to seek both safety and financial independence from their abuser. And the Immigration Service also doesn't notify the H-1B abuser about the filing. I know lots of times victims are afraid that their spouse will know, so this is all confidential. And the benefit also applies equally to men and women. That's also very important to know. So how do you apply for this EAD? First of all, you have to be physically residing in the U.S. and you have to be a spouse of an H-1B visa holder, and you have to have entered the U.S. as an H-4 dependent. Okay, it also requires that you're married to your H-1B spouse when you were admitted. So it's not like you were in the U.S. and you got married to the H-1B spouse. If your spouse died within 2 years of filing this application, that's also permitted. Also, if your spouse lost their H-1B status because of domestic violence, that's also not a problem. Or if you're divorced, sometimes it's not an issue either if the divorce is related to domestic violence, okay? You also have to provide evidence of the domestic violence, so police reports, hospital records, that's also going to be important. And also you have to prove that the domestic violence happened during the marriage after you entered the U.S. in H-4 status. So these are very specific criteria. And if you're able to satisfy this, the Immigration Service will approve your employment authorization card, which is valid for 2 years. If you do remarry, however, they will not process the employment authorization card. So again, this special provisions allows victims that are in H-4 status to apply for EAD, to get financial independence, and get some protections.
Yes.
One other thing I do want to mention is that for the month of October, NPZ is offering a free and confidential half-hour consultations for domestic violence victims. So please feel free to contact us, and we're happy to assist you.
Thank you so much, Snehal. That's really great, offer for people out there who are struggling and really don't know which way to go for domestic violence survivors. So thank you for that. And that's Attorney Snehal Batra of the NPZ Law Group, immigration lawyer serving New Jersey, New York, Indiana, and now soon Florida as well, with offices in India and Canada, helping you with everything you need from green cards, marriage, and H-1